والذين هاجروا في الله من بعد ما ظلموا لنبوئنهم في الدنيا حسنة ولا أجر الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون. بسم الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Darren Harris, also known as Abdul Maqsid. And on this channel, I give you the tips, tricks, and the inside scoop to make you the best person possible. If that sounds good to you, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, turn on your bell notification, leave your comments down below. So in today's video, what I'm going to go over, or what we're going to go over with you, is what is the best bank in the UAE for 2022. Stick around to the end. You don't want to miss this. All right, so we are here on luxuryproperty.com where we're going to read from an article written by Muhammad Kadir Mel. Allah bless him for the article. So the article goes, the United Arab Emirates is rapid. But I told you clearly when you, no, I told you, if you're going to be in this video, you need to be quiet. You have to be quiet. If you're going to be in this video. You don't want to be in it. Okay, then go. Okay, be quiet. The United Arab Emirates is rapidly evolving into a financial hub of the Middle East. Financial institutes and insurance service providers cater to demands of every growing population, particularly banks. And in this blog, we're going to go over the top 6 banks here in the UAE for expats. I need you to be quiet. I told you if you're going to be in this video, you need to be quiet. Okay. The top 6 banks in the UAE for expats is number 1, as you can see here, Emirates NBD. This is the bank that I have, and it looks exactly like the actual bank where I set my bank up. I will make a video after this one about how to set up a bank for Emirates NBD in specific because I already did it. So here it goes. Here it goes over to say that the Emirates NBD is far the largest and most reliable bank originating from the UAE. The bank was founded in 2007. Goes on to say a little bit more about it. And yeah, so pretty much is the biggest one. This is the one that I have. What's unique about it is there's a range of products they offer and countrywide access to services. You can almost find Emirates NBD withdrawal points almost everywhere around. The next one that we're going to go over is Abu Dhabi Central Bank. There's actually a metro station named after this bank, right? Right? Yeah, there's a metro station named after this bank, ADCB. And it's so confusing. Sometimes you want to say ABCD or D. Yeah, you want to say it, but it's ADCB. Yes. And this one is called Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Is a bank that has rich history, and it's of course UAE Bank. And yeah, there's more information about it right here. You can read on your own time or pause the screen. What's unique about them is that they have exceptional customer service, which I think everyone should have anyway. So yeah, I think the coolest part about them is that they have a metro station and they have access for to get this one directly from downtown Dubai and Jumeirah Lake Tower. So that's ADCB. The next one, which is the third most popular, is Dubai Islamic Bank. I know there's a lot of brothers out there. There's a lot of brothers out there who, you know, and including myself, who prefer not to deal with interest and things like this. This bank is literally called Dubai Islamic Bank. So this seems like a good one. You know, I don't know too much about this one. Obviously, here it says that it's established in 1975 and has a little bit information about it, which you can read on your own time. And it says what's unique about them: the leading Sharjah compliant bank in the UAE, and they have access in Jumeirah. Okay, the fourth one, which is Standard Chartered. Again, I don't know much about them either. But it says here, as one of the leading international banks in the world, Standard Chartered offers exponential um, banking solutions to its clients. And I'm thinking this is probably more on the business side and things like that, as you can see here. What's unique about them is that they have they're a globally recognized bank that ticks all the boxes that most people need, and their nearby communities are in business bank. Correct. Yes, correct. But you have to be good in the video. You can't be bad because I'm not gonna edit all this out. The next one, which is Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, ADIB, which if you even look at this picture, it looks so futuristic, and you can tell this is probably more for Emiratis than expats, but yeah, we're still going to go over it. With more than 70 branches and 460 ATMs across the UAE, ADIB is one of the oldest and most trusted banks in the UAE, hence Abu Dhabi. Yeah. What's unique about them is combines Islamic finance with contemporary banking solutions to meet the needs of their customers. Bravo. And now on to the next one, the last one, yeah? Number six is Meshrik. There's a station actually called Meshrik as well. Meshrik Neo. There's a station here called Meshrik as well, a metro station. An offshoot of the oldest bank in the UAE, Meshrik Neo is the first digital bank in the UAE. The bank is completely branchless, paperless, and offers all conventional banking services as well as several unique offerings to attract a young customer base. So this one is probably the most unique and probably the most like to us. You know, old money is old money, as we all say. I don't know. I don't know if Meshrik has anything to do with crypto or anything, but we can definitely check that out in the future. But here's what's unique about them is they're a full-fledged bank and an app that holds green credentials, saves time, offers plenty of rewards and cash back to customers. The bank sector in the UAE is growing, and it is billing of Perfect Bank. Okay, yeah. So yeah, man. International banks in Dubai, they have HSBC, BNB, Royal Bank of Canada, Citibank, of course, Standard Chartered, as we went over above, African International Bank, Habib Bank, and the last one, which I probably cannot pronounce. So yeah, this is just a little bit of an article which goes over which is the best banks in the UAE. But yeah, it's also subject to each his own. To everyone has their own choice to make in regards to which bank they want to use. But what I would say, as far as my experience with banks here in the UAE so far, is that sometimes even with Emirates and BD, it just seems like things take a little bit longer than. But that's with every bank, even the bank that, like, for example, that I had in the UK, which was Barclays, or the bank that I had in America, which was Navy Federal. It still seems to be that the banks are slow. And what they honestly need is that they need to update the SWIFT system to the new Web 3.0 XRP ledger and run the bank through the XRP, and let's make everything digital. But that's my own opinion. But like I said, if you guys want to know what's the best bank here in the UAE, I would say probably Emirates NBD or ADCB. One of those two are probably the most popular and the best one. And if you guys want to see, I'll make another video about how to set up an actual bank account with Emirates NBD. But as far as this video, that's all I got for you. I hope you enjoy it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye bye.